guys, welcome back to the Merchant Navy. Today's topic is Indian Officers Pre-Sea Training Courses. We will be discussing about the different courses, eligibility criteria, age limit and institutes which offer these courses. Various courses for Indian officers are 4-year degree course in marine engineering, 1-year marine engineering course for graduates, 2-year marine engineering course for diploma holders, 2.5 years course for marine engineering under alternate training scheme, and pre-sea training for electrotechnical officers. So let's start with 4-year degree course in marine engineering. Maximum age limit is 25 years. Minimum academic qualification required for this course is pass 10+2 or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, mathematics and English with PCM average not less than 60%, or candidate can join second year of 4-year marine engineering degree course provided he has passed first year training from alternate training scheme approved by DG Shipping, or candidate can join second year of 4-year marine engineering degree course who have passed first year from engineering college in other stream like mechanical and electrical approved by AICTE with minimum 60% average marks, or candidate can join second year of 4-year marine engineering degree course who have passed 3 years diploma course in mechanical, marine, electrical and electronics from the colleges approved by AICTE or State Board of Technical Education with minimum 55% aggregate marks, or candidates can join second year of 4-year marine engineering diploma course who have passed 4-year diploma in shipbuilding engineering from colleges approved by AICTE or State Board of Technical Education with minimum 55% aggregate marks in the diploma course. All candidates should have obtained minimum 50% marks in English at 10th, 12th or in degree or diploma courses. Note that part-time or distance learning or correspondence course of any combination of these will not be considered. These are the institutes which offer this course. Next is GME course or 1-year marine engineering course for graduates. Maximum age limit is 28 years, but some private institutes limit it to 25 years. Minimum academic qualification for this course is graduation in BE, mechanical engineering, naval architecture with minimum marks of 50% and minimum 50% marks in English at 10th, 12th or in degree exams, or the candidate holding a BE or BTech degree in mechanical and automation engineering with minimum 50% marks and 50% marks in English at 10th, 12th or degree exams. The institutes which offer this course are: next is 2 years marine engineering course for diploma holders. Maximum age limit is 28 years. Minimum academic qualification for this course is pass diploma in mechanical, marine, naval architecture, electrical and electronics engineering, shipbuilding engineering with minimum marks of 50% with minimum 50% marks in English at 10th, 12th or diploma exams. These are the institutes which offer this course. Next is 2.5 years course for marine engineering under alternate training scheme. Maximum age limit for this course is 25 years. Minimum academic qualification required for this course is pass 10+2 or equivalent exams with physics, chemistry, mathematics, English with PCM average not less than 60% and minimum 50% marks in English at 10th or 12th exams. These are the institutes which offer this course. Next is pre-sea training for electrotechnical officers or ETOs on merchant ships. Duration for the course is 17 weeks or 4 months. Maximum age limit is 35 years, but many institutes have 28 years as their age limit. Minimum academic qualification required for this course is. That's it for engineering officers pre-sea training courses. In case of any doubt, feel free to comment below.